Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is all about sun, salt, and sea, because we're heading out for an epic fishing adventure. Fishing sunrise, whether you're here for the ocean views, the thrill of the catch, or just some good vibes on the water, you're in the right place. So grab your shades, hold on tight, and let's set sail. Alright guys, before we hit the waves tomorrow, we're getting everything ready tonight, especially the food. You can't go fishing on an empty stomach, right? We're keeping it simple but masarap, rice, some grilled goodies, and of course, snacks to keep us energized while waiting for the big catch.
Ayan no, panalo yan pre. Busy yung dalawa. Kita. See?
After we finished preparing our food, it was time to relax for a bit. We grabbed some drinks and played a few rounds of billiards while waiting for midnight. These little moments make the trip even more memorable. Good friends, good vibes, and a bit of fun before the real adventure begins.
Sila nagpakita sa'yo. Tapos yan. Ang galing. Pangapat na siya. Ano na? 4-0 daw.
Hello. Game muna kami.
We woke up early the next morning, still a bit sleepy but super excited. Before heading out, we needed to borrow one more car to fit everyone and all our gear. Huge thanks to Varian, my friend, for lending us the ride. Couldn't have done this trip without it.
Ganda na. Uniform mo pre, kawantok eh.
Wala sasakyan eh.
O yan o, excited siya Hana.
Wala ang sasakyan. Doon pa sa kanila.
Yung guys. Excited si Hana guys. Binuhat na namin yung kulay. Oh, natapos din ah. Hana, pinagpawisan ako. Yaw. At ayan na nga guys.
With everything packed and ready, it was finally time to hit the road and chase the sea breeze.
Wow!
Sige lang brada.
Hey, taas mo. Ay.
With everything packed and everyone on board, it was finally time to hit the road. The sun was just starting to rise, and the energy was high. We're officially on our way to the sea. There's something about road trips at dawn, quiet roads, good music, and that feeling of excitement you can't really explain. The ocean's calling, and we're getting closer with every mile. Next stop, our fishing spot. Let's go catch some memories. While on the road, we made sure to prep for the heat too. Time to lather up with some sunblock. The sun's no joke out there, especially by the sea, so better safe than sunburn. Now we're fully... When we arrived at the shore, we were welcomed by our national friends here in Papua New Guinea. They're the ones who will be taking us out to sea on a small boat today, and we're super thankful for their help and hospitality.
Hana, kaway-kaway ka, di ka pantay. Tabingi na,
It's
tingnan mo sa
always a
gilid.
great feeling to connect with locals
Tabingi
and
na.
share moments like
Hana,
this.
tabingi na, pamantay ka.
Let's go. The ocean is waiting.
Oh, Hana, umantay ka, tabingi na. Punta ka sa
Since the
gitna.
boat was a bit small for the whole group, we decided to
Yeah,
split
second
into
batch
two
kami, second
batches
batch.
for the ride. Safety first, of course, better to go in turns than to overload the boat. The first group geared up and hopped in while the rest of us stayed back, enjoying the view and getting the camera ready. The plan was simple: 2 rides, 1 destination, our fishing spot in the middle of this
Say
beautiful
hi.
sea.
Hi.
Sunscreen, shades, charger.
Lalay.
So here we are, finally at the island where we'll be leaving our things before heading out to fish. Desert Island Backpack. This will be our base for the day. It's
Ayan,
peaceful, beautiful, and the perfect spot to come back and chill after
Sa
fishing.
island. Ang dami namin, oh. Itong matindi. Oh, wah. Panalo.
Now that everything's set on the island,
Umiyak ka na. Baka mo muna. Pag-video ka.
Oo nga, ayan o, gagi. Makatapat to.
Kamu itu macam
Sa akin din ay.
Nahulog ka na.
Bayarad. Sun.
Parang ang kasi, ang gusto ko ito talaga ito eh. Ang kulit mo kasi yun ang ilan pa sa akin eh.
Maliliit nga yan.
Okay naman to ah.
Okay na, ayaw mo, tanggalin mo na. Ilagay ko dito sa akin. Ano po? Kain ko. Baby. Para Ivy.
After a few minutes of waiting and only a few bites, we decided to change things up and look for a better spot. Fishing canoe wave. Sometimes, fishing is all about patience and finding the right place. So off we go again, chasing that perfect spot where the big ones might be hiding. Magnifying glass fish. Let's hope this next stop is the lucky one. We're not giving up just yet.
Okay.
Yan. Kaya abot na ng pula na kwan. Mga pangawil. Mga magulog dyan ha. Mga kwan dyan.
Since the weather started getting worse and the waves were getting rough, we didn't manage to catch anything. So, we decided it was best to return to the island and head back home. Cloud with rain wave. We may not have caught any fish today, but
so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. See you again on my next vlog.